Good day everyone! For today's video, pag-aaralan natin ay tungkol sa perpendicularity. So, i-define natin what is perpendicular lines. So, a perpendicular line are two lines that intersect to form right angles. And what about the perpendicular bisector? So, perpendicular bisector of a segment is a line perpendicular to a given segment and divides it into two congruent parts. When can we say that two lines are perpendicular? So, two lines are perpendicular if, number one, they form four right angles. Number two, the angles in a linear pair are congruent. And number three, two angles are adjacent and complementary. So for our first example, M is perpendicular to N. So it forms four right angles, which is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair, so angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, as well as angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4, and angle 3 and angle 4. So they form a linear pair. So for our next figure, we have angle CAR and angle EAR. So our two angles are complementary and they are adjacent. So therefore, our two lines, which is AC and AE, are perpendicular. So given the figure, segment MI is congruent to segment IL, segment SE is congruent to segment EL, and the measure of angle SEI is equals to 90. So let's answer the following questions. So number 1, is segment ML is perpendicular to segment IS? Okay, yes. Number 2, is segment MS perpendicular to segment SL? Yes. And number 3, is segment SL is perpendicular to segment ML? So our answer is no, since these two lines do not form a right angle. So let's have number 4. Are angle MSI and angle ISL complementary? So the answer is yes. Number 5. Are angle MIS and angle SIE complementary? So the answer is no, since angle MIS is a right angle. Number 6. Is segment IE a perpendicular bisector of segment SL? So the answer is yes. Number 7. Do angle MIS and angle SIL form a linear pair? So the answer is yes. And number 8, is the measure of angle MIS is equals to 90? So the answer is yes. So let's have another figure. Line EE is perpendicular to line FC. So let's find the measure of the following angles. So number 1, angle AOF. So angle AOF is equals to 90 degree. Number 2, angle AOC. So the measure of angle AOC is equals to 90 degree. And number 3, we have angle 1 plus angle 2. So since angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles, so they are also equals to 90 degree. So let's have number 4. If the measure of angle 3 is equals to 50, what is the measure of angle 4? So the answer is 40, since angle 3 and angle 4 are complementary angles. So 90 minus 50 is equals to 40. So angle 4 is equals to 40. And number 5, if the measure of angle AOD is equals to 130 degree, what is the measure of angle 4? So the answer is 50 degree. Since angle AOE is a straight angle which is equals to 180 degree, so iba-minus lang po natin yung 130 sa 180. So 180 minus 130 is equals to 50 degrees. So the measure of angle 4 is 50 degrees. So, yan po yung concept ng perpendicularity. So, tatandaan nyo, when two lines form a right angles, it is what we call perpendicular line. So, sana po may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Yun lamang po. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.